My name is Keiichi Tsuchiya. I'm a racing driver from Japan.
First of all, you have to start with the suspension. Then you should also change the brake pads and brake fluid, but that's about it. And if you're lucky enough to be able to spend some more, upgrading the CPU, exhaust system, seats, steering, and shift knob may be a good idea. And as you improve, maybe changing LSDs might be good in the future. Anyway, what I want you all to understand is that you don't need loads of money to enjoy the sport of drifting.
Naturally though, as the road is open and there are people coming the other way, accidents do happen. Just in case you were thinking of trying this at home, this is a graphic demonstration of what can go wrong. How did you manage to do this?
Smoke weed every day.
Well, it's a rotten bit of luck.
When I was racing, everybody knew that I would win. So to stop people being bored and fed up with the same old thing, I started drifting the car through the corners, much more than the other drivers, to keep people interested, and it improved the popularity of the sport.